Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to set up a Google ad so that you can appear on the top of Google search when somebody's searching for a new hairstylist in your area. Let's go to the computer and I'll walk you through it.
Okay, to get started, you'll go to google.com and search for Google Ads. That will take you to this page, and you will just click the top one or go to ads.google.com. If you don't have an account, you will click Start Now and create an account. If you already have a Gmail account, that's what you're going to use to sign in, so you'll just click Sign In. Creating a Google search ad for your salon is very easy. All you have to do is make sure that you're on campaigns and then click the little plus button and click New Campaign. We're going to click Website Traffic and Search. Enter in your website URL and click Continue. I want this to appear just in the search network, not in the display network, so I'm going to uncheck Display Network. Because we want ads to only show in our city where our salon is at, I'm going to click Enter another location, and then you can enter in the city and state or the zip code. For language, it's already set to English. I'm going to skip over audiences. I'm going to set my budget at $5 a day. Depending on where you live and the keywords you choose, this might need to be a little bit higher because Google is an auction and they're going to give it to the highest bidder. So what you're doing is you're bidding on cost per click and how many clicks you're going to get per day. For bidding, it's going to say what you want to focus on. We're going to keep it at clicks, and then we're going to click Save and Continue. By default, Google is going to give you a list of keywords that people will search for. I don't really like these keywords. I'm going to enter in my own, and then click Save and Continue. Next, you'll get to choose a headline for your ad. The headline is going to be reflected over here in the blue, and then your description is going to be down here, the smaller text in the black. You can fill in all of these. Google fills it out for you, but you can change the text if you want. Click Save and Continue. Google will then let you review your ad, and you can click Publish when everything looks good. After Google reviews your ads will start appearing at the top of Google search. So when somebody searches for a salon in your area, you will be the #1 search result. Like I say in the course, if you can purchase something on Amazon, you can set up a Google ad for your salon. If you'd like to learn more about Google Ads, getting into the nitty-gritty, looking at the analytics, and learning how to most effectively get your cost per click down so you can save money on your ads, then I encourage you to sign up for Salon Marketing University. Salon Marketing University is going to give you everything that you need to build a six-figure salon business in record time. All you have to do is just click the link below to get started, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.